Hello, in this video I'll show you the location of all the main fuse boxes on the Peugeot 207. This car has two main fuse boxes and a couple of other little ones. Here I'll show you the two main fuse boxes. One of them is in the engine bay. It's located right there next to the battery. This is the engine bay fuse box. The other main fuse box is located in the driver's compartment. It's located behind this plastic panel, so in order to get access to it we need to put our finger in there and just pull out the panel, and we'll see where those fuses are. This is the OBD right there, and these are the fuses right there. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.